Welcome to our Sanjeevani Sainik School and Junior College, Sarjanam Nagar, Kopargaon. Standard 6, Subject General Science, Lesson number 1. Name of first lesson is Natural Resources, Air, Water and Land. First point of the lesson, the spheres on the Earth. There are three main spheres on the Earth. These are atmosphere, that is air, hydrosphere, that is water, and lithosphere, that is land. The living organism together in these three spheres constitute biosphere. Look at this picture which shows the spheres of the Earth. In this picture, there are three spheres are shown. First one is the atmosphere. The part of the air or the gases constitute is called atmosphere. Second one is the hydrosphere. The part of the water on the earth is called hydrosphere. And lithosphere. The part of the land is called lithosphere. All these three, that is atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere, together called biosphere. So students, we are living in which sphere? Either atmosphere, hydrosphere or lithosphere or biosphere. We are living in biosphere because biosphere is made by all these three spheres: atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. Let us study what is natural resources. Air, water and land are the factors important for sustaining living world on the earth and for fulfilling their basic needs. They are called natural resources. Air, water and land are the important natural resources. Another definition of natural resources is the resources which we obtain from the nature is called natural resources. Proportion of land and water. Image given below shows the proportion of land and water. That is, 71% of the Earth's surface is formed of hydrosphere, while 29% is that of lithosphere. मतलब अर्थ के ऊपर टोटल 71% वाटर है और 29% ओनली जगह है. First natural resources, that is air. Let us study about air. The air is the mixture of several gases. Beside these gases, air also contains water vapor and dust particle. Air is a mixture of various gases and it also consists of water vapor and dust particles. The proportion of constituents of air is given here. Look at this image or figure. It shows proportion of various gases in air. In that, see, the maximum proportion is covered with the nitrogen, that is 78%. Then second, oxygen, 21%. Oxygen is very important for living thing, for breathing purpose. Next one, argon gas, 0.9%. Then carbon dioxide, 0.03%. And other constituents of air, that is 0.07%. Next point of the lesson, air pollution. Hawa Pradushan. First one, when the harmful substances produced through the combustion are released into the air, it causes air pollution. Air pollution is caused by vehicles and industries because our vehicle gives out carbon dioxide from the silencer of the vehicle, and manufacturing industries also cause air pollutions. Air pollution is increased day by day. Why it is increased day by day? Because day by day our population also going to increase. That's why all types of pollution also increase. Harmful air pollutants. Nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide are the harmful air pollutants. Next point of the lesson is ozone layer. In the lower part of the stratosphere, there is a layer of ozone gas called as O3 layer. Ozone layer is also called as umbrella layer. Ozone layer prevents the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun from reaching the earth's surface. Ozone Protection Day is celebrated on 16 September every year. Ozone layer prevents the harmful ultraviolet rays that come from the sun to reach to the earth's surface. Next point of the lesson, that is the important natural resource, water. Water is need for survival of every living organism. Hydrogen gas upon burning in air form water. How water forms? Hydrogen gas upon burning in air forms water. Water is available in three states in the nature, that is solid, liquid and gaseous. Water is colorless, tasteless and odorless. It is said that water is life because no living thing can survive without water. Complete this given homework.